What's up guys, it's Mike back here from Mike and Curtis, and today we are going to be unboxing the Philips Hue light or lamp. It's a little tiny little lamp that does has all the colors and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm excited because this is a little lamp. I've seen a couple other people's videos, not too much on them, so I don't know much about them, but they look pretty neat. It's probably what I'm going to keep either on my nightstand or underneath the TV to add a little bit more light. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So on the front here you just have the picture of the lamp itself right there. Talks about it being like multiple colors. Pretty much looks the same as most of the other Philips Hue packages. Not much different, just again the picture has the same bar. Gives you another little picture of that. It is Bluetooth enabled. On the side here gives you a little bit more information. Tells you that it works with iOS and Android, and then Bluetooth and Zigbee. Gives you a little bit of pictures right there. The Bluetooth. On the back gives you a bunch of information right there. It does tell you what's in the box, and it is the lamp itself, which is 520 lumens, takes 6 watts, and then comes with a power cord, which I'm not sure if it's going to be the same as the other ones I got with the light bar. But yeah, so that's pretty much the box. The top here has a nice little picture. People around it. Let's go ahead and figure out where to open from. And let's take the knife real quick, cut the box open, and then we're gonna flip it over because I assume it's gonna be like the rest of the boxes and just kind of lift up. Yeah, so lift it up just like that. Talks about, I guess that looks like the colors and stuff. I think it also gives you hours battery life. So I guess maybe this is, again, I don't know much about this one. So if it has battery life, does that mean it'll work without being plugged in? I don't know. But so we have the light itself, and we're gonna check that out in a second, but I'm gonna pull all of this fun stuff out. So nothing else in that box, so we're gonna move that to the side. Then you get some paperwork right here. And then underneath it feels like there's, I think the power cord's in here. Underneath this box. If I can get this thing out. Which I was kind of hoping it'd be like the light bar, but it's a normal white little power cord. It does have a little bit different than the light bar. It's a power thing right here. That's a little bit smaller, but I was hoping you'd be able to use it with the other power bricks that I have that I could fit 3 onto, because that would be a little bit neat. So let's take the light out. So it's pretty much a little white or like fluorescent looking light. But yeah, so that is the Philips Hue Go, the little lamp. I'll probably put a little bit of B-roll at the end here to show you it on and stuff and how it works. Okay guys, so we're back out. We're here with the lamp itself. Probably gonna show up on the screen what my iPhone's showing right now for the actual app, because it's a pretty simple setup process. It's like all the other bulbs. You just get on the app, add lights, and then it'll search, and then it'll come up. This one came up really easy. I've had a couple bulbs where I've had to enter in the actual serial number or whatever on the bulb, and that's kind of been a pain. But actually this and all these little light bars behind me, they came up right away, no issues or anything, so I was pretty happy about that. But real quick, before we get into the actual app itself, it's got a little power button right there. And again, I did not know that it was a portable little lamp. If you want to turn it on, it's pretty simple. Just select button once, and then you can go through a couple different colors and stuff, which is pretty neat. And then actually, if you want to turn it off, you just go like that. You hold it down. I think it's that was a good bit. And then so with the app though, you can do all of that too, where you can turn this on just using the app. So once you go into the actual Hue Go right there, where you can see that it's turned off right there, you can just click on and it'll turn right on. And the other nice thing is it's like all the rest of the bulbs, where you got this nice color wheel if you want. So I can set it, although of course that's deciding. There we go. Haven't had issues with it before, and I've been using it for a little bit. But just like the other one, you got like 16 million different colors. You can fiddle around with that. I've got some presets set up. They're pretty easy to make, and I do enjoy. Again, it's normally down here facing this wall to give a little bit more light with these light bars. But yeah, so overall, I think it was worth it. It's definitely a little bit pricey, about 80 bucks. But I do like that I can, if I wanted to take this with me somewhere, I guess if I was going outside or camping or something, although I don't see myself. But you do have the option to actually take this with you and use it as a little portable light. And it gets somewhat bright. None of these bulbs seem to be too bright. I don't know the best way of showing you because of course right there, that's I guess dimmer. But I don't think it's that big of a difference right now just looking at it on video. That is the Philips Hue Go lamp. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.